President Ramnath Kovind today held delegation-level talks with his Turkmenistan counterpart Serdar Berdimuhamedow in Ashgabat. Several MOUs were also signed between India and Turkmenistan during the talks. During the meeting, the state and prospects of bilateral relations between both countries were discussed. Prime Minister Narendra Modi held delegation-level talks with his Nepalese counterpart Sher Bahadur Deuba in New Delhi today. They jointly launched several projects. They flagged off the 35-kilometer-long cross-border passenger train services between Jayanagar of Bihar in India and Kurtha in Nepal. 4 MOUs were signed in the presence of both prime ministers. India-Australia Economic Cooperation and Trade Agreement was signed today. Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal and Trade, Tourism and Investment Minister of Australia Dan Tehan signed this agreement. The agreement was signed in a virtual ceremony in the presence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the Prime Minister of Australia, Scott Morrison. President Ramnath Kovind and Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu have greeted the people of the country on the occasion of Chaitra Sukladi, Yugadi, Gudi Padwa, Cheti Chand, Navre and Sajibu Cheroba. India's active caseload currently stands at 13,445. The recovery rate is currently at 98.76% and over 1,400 COVID patients recovered in the last 24 hours.